Welcome to day 97, the day after the storm. The snow is absolutely amazing. Of course, most of the mountain is closed while they blast for avalanches. But what is open is absolutely amazing. It's just a matter now of doing a few runs before work comes to calling. Ooh, there you go. Wow. You get the most amazing echoes as they bounce off the mountains. Anyway. So, as well as dealing with a couple of broken telephones, you can see after all that snowfall that we have another pressing task. It's called finding the car. Because tomorrow we are heading off to Geneva for the Salon d'Auto, the motor show. And this is my car. Yeah, I know. And so once again, well, let us see if we can actually pull out of this hole. It is a Christmas miracle. And of course, as I've said many times before, make sure your car is unobstructed. And make sure there is no snow on the roof. Luckily it's pretty warm today, and so all this stuff is coming off pretty quickly. As I sign off today, I thought I would give a bit of a shout out to the security depiste who basically look after the ski area of Courchevel and the Three Valleys. It's a rather unsung job which no one really sees you doing, but on days like today it is incredibly valued. While out skiing this morning, me and a lot of other people noticed, of course, that the highest point of Courchevel, the Solier, was shut, and because it had snowed a lot, everybody, of course, wanted to go up skiing there because that's where the best snow is. And everyone, of course, was noticing that there was an awful lot of explosions going on as they cleared the mountain of possible avalanches by setting off their own. And, suffice to say, I finished skiing before they actually opened the mountain, but some people took some pictures of an avalanche that they had set off going down the piste of the Solier, and it shows very much so that even though the run itself is like a run that most people can do, any of the couloirs that feed into it, if any of the snow there was to go, it literally comes all the way down the bowl. Probably not a very good thing. And certain things like this come to light when you see what happened in Teen a few days ago, when again an avalanche slid down over a piste, and luckily no one was injured. But really, it really does bring to light the cracking job that they do, and yeah. So security depiste, good on you. And of course, if you like this video and you'd like to see more, you can always click on the subscribe button over there. Tomorrow I will be heading off to Geneva for the motor show, lots of shiny new cars. So yeah, until then, I shall see you tomorrow. Good night.